Hey everybody, this is Robin Taylor at Taylor Freelance, and I'm here to chat with you about the HK VP9 and the heavyweight kits that we're making for it these days. This is an HK VP9L, has the rubber gasketed lockup in the front, wanted to really become a popular match pistol here in the United States, alongside the HK VP9 match. We've started developing a variety of parts for it for a couple of reasons, one of which is that, like all polymer 9mm, the VP9L and the VP9 itself are very top heavy. If you lay them over like this and start taking your fingers off, as you've probably seen from our past videos, the gun tries to fall out of your hand. It's very top heavy, somewhat front heavy, enough that when you go do a reload with it, you have to be very conscious of what angle you're holding the gun at. By adding some weight to it, that top heaviness goes away and it becomes much easier to control the gun. Certainly in this case, I've got it totally weighted up, brass all the way around, and I can lay it over completely sideways and let go, which, believe me, you cannot do with a stock gun. And it'll stay here pretty well. I could speed reload this with 2 fingers. So as a result, the behavior of the gun does actually change. When you get this completely kitted up, weight is kind of the thing in the USPSA world right now. I'm putting an ounce into either backstrap, into either side panel, 3 ounces in the backstrap. I can't remember how many ounces in the mag welt, but it's on the order of 2.5. And then about 3.5 ounces in the base pad itself. All up, I'm at 15.75 ounces over stocks. I mean, that's a pound. It's a dramatic difference in the way the gun behaves. Some of you will no doubt be saying, a pound? That's way too much. And you'd probably be right. I mean, this is not everybody's flavor. For a lot of folks, I think they're better off running what we call a middleweight kit, which is brass on either side panel, brass in the back, but with an aluminum mag well and an aluminum base pad, the HK Border Specials that we built for the Border Patrol Tactical Operations Group. That combination is 8.75 ounces total. So half a pound, and all of it right where you want it. It's high and heavy on the gun. So there's, the gun behavior still changes dramatically, but not to the extreme that the full heavyweight kit does. So anyway, it's a great development, I think, in the history of the VP9. You can really configure this gun the way you want it exactly. You can get the weight balance exactly the way you want it. You can even get the side panels separately. So you can buy this one as a large and this one as a small, if you like. That's how my head machinist Mike and I like our setup, is more of a palm swell on the right and less so on the left. So it's worked out really well so far, and I encourage you to come check us out. We'll be taking this with us to SHOT Show. I'm Robin Taylor from Taylor Freelance.